Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete YouTube playlist. If you know how to create a playlist on YouTube, you know that sometimes things can get a bit messy when adding videos to them. That is exactly why you also need to know how to delete a playlist on YouTube. Whether you are a content creator or just a regular run-of-the-mill YouTube viewer, deleting a playlist is simple and straightforward. Here's how you do it. As a casual viewer of YouTube, you can easily delete your created playlist from both mobile and PC. Here's a step-by-step guide for the same. If you are using the YouTube app on Android, follow these steps to delete a YouTube playlist. Open the YouTube mobile app on your Android. Then tap on your profile icon available in the top right corner of the YouTube mobile app. Now, select your channel. Here, head over to Playlist. Beside each playlist, there is a three-dot menu. Tap on the one beside the playlist you want to delete. And you will see the delete option. Tap on it, and you will see a confirmation message for the same. Tap on delete again, and your playlist will be deleted. Now, as a content creator, you can take the conventional route and delete a playlist as a viewer does. However, you will be spending most of your time with YouTube Studio as a YouTuber. So, knowing how to delete a playlist on YouTube Studio is going to come in handy. You can do so from both your mobile and PC. Here's how to do it. Open the YouTube Studio app. Now, from your YouTube mobile home screen, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then, from here, tap on the YouTube Studio option. If you do not have YouTube Studio installed on your device, a small window will pop up automatically where you can install it. Once you are in YouTube Studio, at the bottom panel, you will see the Content section. Tap on it. Then, tap on the Playlist section here. And you will see all your created playlist. Tap on the one you want to delete. You will see the edit icon on the topmost panel of your screen. Tap on it, or tap the three dots again here. And then select Delete Playlist. A small confirmation pop-up window will show up. Click on OK. In addition to deleting entire playlists on YouTube, the platform also allows you to delete individuals' videos from playlist. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.